Hey, welcome to the video. We are going to go over mechanical interlock devices. So what this is for is if you have a generator for backup power, you're going to have a generator breaker in this location. You're going to have your main breaker right here. You do not want them energized at the same time. That's what this interlock device comes into play. It is, main breaker will be on. Breaker handle will be in this location. This has to be raised up, which means the generator breaker has to be in the off position. Now, when you lose power to your home, you come in, you shut your main off. That allows this to drop down. Then you can energize the generator breaker. So I highly recommend this. Is an easy way for generator backup to make sure you're not backfeeding power into the grid, two power sources at the same time. This is a Cutler hammer panel. They have a list of, you can get these for a main with a load breaker or generator breaker, or you can get to interlock two breakers side by side. They have a lot of different configurations, but I always recommend that you go to the manufacturer and get the approved, tested, listed. That's important. UL listing, that's what inspectors look for. You get the proper one for the application. This one is Eaton, our Cutler hammer is a subsidiary of Eaton. So this is what fits for this model. You can always check. You'll have this sticker on the inside of your panel typically, and that's going to tell you all the information you need to know about the load center that you're dealing with, the panel, the different types of breakers and ratings, and if your busing configuration, etc. Some panels only allow you to put tandem breakers in certain locations, etc., things of that nature. So these interlocks, you follow the instructions, they come with it, they're pretty clear. But when you do this, you're fastening everything from the back side through the front. So there's no mistake that somebody could come in here, undo these screws, and this falls off. You have to intentionally take the entire cover off to get access to the mounting hardware for this device. So pretty simple. Hopefully got something out of it. If you did, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, the like, and I'll see you on the next one.